Hi, Mrs. Hensley's friends. We are going to read a bedtime story or a surprise story. Okay, Mrs. Hensley is going to read When the Leaf Blew In. This is by Steve Metzger, illustrated by Kelly Lewis. Okay, here we go. When the leaf blew in. When the leaf blew in, the cow sneezed. Achoo! Look at his face. When the cow sneezed, achoo! The spider landed on the owl. When the spider landed on the owl swooped out of the barn. When the owl swooped out of the barn, the pig dove into the mud. Oh. When the pig dove into the mud, the goat kicked over the bucket. When the goat kicked over the bucket, the chicken spun round and round. When the chicken spun round and round, the horse reared up and neighed. When the horse reared up and neighed, the sheep leaped over a barrel. When the sheep leaped over a barrel, the duck jumped into the pond. When the duck jumped into the pond, the frog hopped onto a lily pad. When the frog hopped onto a lily pad, the dragonfly buzzed across the sky. When the dragonfly buzzed across the sky, the dog woke up and chased the squirrel. Uh-oh. When the dog woke up and chased the squirrel, the robin flew into the tree. When the robin flew into the tree, the leaf blew in. Oh, and what do you think happened then? Do you think that made the cow sneeze and it all started over again, right? Well, I wanted to send you guys a surprise story, and I hope you guys have an awesome rest of your evening. I hope you have sweet dreams. Mrs. Hensley loves you. I miss you. I can't wait to see you in person, and I hope you guys have an awesome rest of your evening. Okay? Good night, sweet dreams, friends.